If you constantly browse NVGs online and got these Chinese sealed device because it was like $90, only to be disappointed by this guy using it backwards and finding out the screen is tiny and kinda crap. I got a solution that requires a bit of doing it yourself, and that will be adding magnification. In my case, I ripped out the eyepiece from my old sniper scope, but you can save your optics and get yourself a new loop. Now the problem with this setup is that the screenshot is usually too far for the lens to show a clear image, so we have to get it closer to focus correctly. If you do not know where your focal point is, you could try moving your eyepiece around to see where it goes. Now the best way to modify the shroud is by going apeshit with a knife or a file to seat the lens deeper. A crown shape will help with that. Once the view is good, add some glue and slap some tape on it, I don't care. Now if you want to feel like Sam Fisher, put a flashlight filter on it to dim the light and save your eyes. Remember, green is for contrast, red is for night vision. Here's how it looks.
Green.
Here's some of the controls. We got the zoom in or the IR on, zoom out, IR off, or the capture button for videos and photographs. We got the power button here and the menu selector here. It works on 5 batteries and also takes some USB charging. Now the thing works surprisingly well, and in the dark you have an IR light that'll get you a good look at a few hundred meters max. You'll only get daytime footage though, since the sun decided it doesn't want to set in Finland, and I don't even need the thing now. Okay, bye.